Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's me, PitCrafters, here with another Cookie Clicker episode, and I just noticed. Well, actually, I didn't notice, but I thought that someday I'd probably lose this video on somewhere else on the web or whatever. I would ever lose this video. I mean, not this video. Oh my god, my brain! I'm so brain up at this point. Um, I didn't mean video. I meant if I ever lose this Cookie Clicker progress somewhere down in the deep webs of the internet, then I would actually have a backup of it. Because I noticed if I click in options, there's any general saves. We're definitely not going to click is delete all. Nope, never doing that. So I'm going to try different saves. If I click this, game saved, but I don't think it saved entirely. What about export save? This is your save code. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe. What about save to file? If I save it to file, PitCraftersBakery.txt. New download. What is this? Oh, so it saves the code. Does that save on my computer? Did it save? Bakery. Oh, so it did. Did you guys see that? PitCrafters Bakery. Okay, well, that's all I needed to know, really. I just wanted to save it, but we have some stuff to spend today. But what I've been looking forward to is this bingo center / research facility. That's what I've been looking for, but it looks like we're not going to get that till a while. So I'm definitely going to get this. Get lucky, golden cookies, effect lasts twice as long. Definitely going to get that. Piece of crap. And yeah, I'm probably not going to use the auto clicker from now on, just for a few reasons. We'll get the cat one. Time machine. And any cookie multipliers. Okay, well, just spend all our money. There you go, we got 10 portals. 10 portals. Can I get 25? Oh, I just need one more, boy. Ooh, snappy. So yeah, I have not been doing Cookie Clicker in a while. Do apologize for that. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. And that's how you spend all your money in a few seconds, baby. It solves all your problems. So, is there any cheaper upgrades? Yeah, I just spent all of my money doing that. You're welcome. Hope you enjoy. Actually, yeah, I'll turn on this auto clicker. Okay, I turn on my auto clicker. Yeah. This is level 9. I noticed I got this cookie for 130 mines. So, I need to get in some achievements going up. I noticed that some of these are not even good. They're not greatness. Ah! No! No, I didn't mean to do that. I really do apologize for that. So yeah, I just decided to turn this auto clicker on because, budget cuts. We almost been running this for a month. Oh my god. A month, guys. Almost a month. Actually, no, a month. We run this for a month. And we gotta make this even, so. Get rid of one factory. Get rid of one bank. I have to get one of these shipments. I mean shipments. God. Um. So, like, okay, another frenzy. That's okay with me. Oh, honestly, this is so boring. I know, like, we'll just have to, like, click and chat. Obviously, the best thing I can do here is just chat with you guys as I see cookies go up. So I don't know, though. It's kind of a boring series right now. I mean, it won't be boring once when I get this, freaking bingo circus facility. Grandmas come twice as efficient. Of course they do. They like to become twice as efficient. Always twice as efficient. Let's see. Like, I obviously don't have to, like, put these in order. I can just, like, do whatever, you know? Obviously, yeah, I did want to put them in order, but... Oh, jeez. Jeez, dude. I wanted, like, I kind of forgot I had the antimatter condenser. Okay, let's be honest here. Forgot about this. We're gonna level the antimatter condenser up. Okay, we're gonna level up this antimatter condenser twice. To get rid of all my keys. Just gonna. Okay, one extra flavor antimatter condenser. Jeez, dude. Oh my god, if we just like overdid that. We did that through the roof. A billion. My cookie clicks a billion, dude. My cookie click kind of paying off. Kind of glad I had this auto clicker, but like I saw some pictures of like the grandma apocalypse or whatever, and I was just like, I have to pop these little wrinklers that go around the cookie. If anybody you guys are watching this and you have a cookie clicker and well, you should really get onto that because I mean, cookie clicker really is. I already played this before, so this progress hasn't really been fun. I mean, cookie clicker, it's okay game. Dude, I got a cookie while I have a cookie. Dude, that golden cookie power up was amazing. Now my things are twice as long. My frenzies, twice as long, guys. I'm living the life over here. So, how's your guys' day been? Has it been great? Has it been bad? I hope it's been great because if it's been bad, I'm so sorry for you. You deserve uh you deserve a prize, a really good prize. You need to get the most favorite thing in the world if you're having a bad day. I'm just kidding. Of course, you can be living the life, but you can have a bad day. And I'm sorry you can't hear me because I have 3 golden cookie ones. Golden cookies appear twice as often and stay twice as long. Twice as often, twice as often. Okay, sounds great. So that means all I have to do is just wait for golden cookies now. This is quite the game. Quite the game, I'll say. Don't want to accidentally buy a wizard tower because making uneven, you know. Golden cookies. There's some of these that I can get 10 more of, but don't think they're worth it. I mean, I guess I can get. Oh my god. I guess I can get like 10 more of these wizard towers. More farms. Ooh, we got a new achievement. Perfect. Good to put that. And we also got this, oh my god. This is cheap. Farms are twice as efficient. What are farms doing? Oh, that is not worth it, but since it's cheap, why not? Dude, farms. Dude, what the freak? Farms are doing nothing. Look at this. They're doing 0% of our work. Farms, they suck. Farms freaking suck on Cookie Clicker. They're only producing 2,000 a second. That is so bad. Oh my god. Dude, that is so terrible. That is terrible. Oh my god. Ooh, your 80 temples are boosting your cookies per second. How about that? Also, I'm about to hit 1 quadrillion cookies all baked in this session in all time. And also, guys, there's also this achievement too, where apparently if I click next to the bakery named one achievement, then I'll get another achievement. Let's see, look. Here you go. That's clever. Click this achievement slot. All you had to do is ask. Wow. Is there anything I have to do other? It's like, is there any other achievements? Like, I got some of the secret achievements. Is there any others? I remember there would be this achievement I can get. It's where I had to name my bakery name Ortle. 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 No, probably should put that in caps. Orteal. That's what I meant. God complex. Yo. Uh-huh. Ha! Just plain lucky. Speed bacon 3, speed bacon 2, speed bacon 1. Okay, well, that's good, but I should probably name it back because I noticed here. Note, input a less percent of cookies per second until they rename it themselves. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rename myself back to Crafters. Cause why not? I'm gonna name it exactly as it was. Pick Crafty. Okay. Another one. Mana Bloom. Your 60 wizard towers are boosting your cookies per second. What are wizard towers doing? That they're doing nothing. I obviously had no clue. Yeah, wizard towers doing nothing, but it's doing better than farms, honestly, because farms doing zero, like it's like 0% of our work. Mines are also doing pretty terrible. So are factories and banks. Banks are doing terrible. All these power ups that are like, I mean, grandmas, they're doing pretty good, I guess. Well, actually, no, grandmas are doing terrible. Anything, I would just say, like, anything past the shipment, anything past that is, like, not worth getting. Anything past the shipment is not worth getting. Yeah, it's not worth it. Nope. All you do is just try to get it for the achievements. Or not. You know, you just try to get it for the achievements. I'm just sitting here jibber jabbing talking. I'd say the best one's doing it right now, and a minor condenser. It's doing the best. Of course it is, because, you know, it's making a billion per second. It's like doing half of our work now. It's doing most of our work, actually. I have no idea what this is. This looks like a... I know this is probably a freaking... I know that this one's a prism, and then this one's a chance maker. I know I spoiled it, right? Are you happy? Bet you not. I'm just gonna drink some of this. That smells so good. Let me get my phone. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end this episode right here because, you know, it's getting boring. If you did like this episode, then I guess smash the like button. I've also noticed that we're getting more dislikes than usual. And we're getting more frenzies than usual, which is obviously good. But, I guess after this frenzy, wait, 2 minutes. Yeah, it's 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna end this episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Not much progress got done this episode, but hey, at least we got like a few achievements, some shadow achievements, so I guess we did get some stuff. I'll just level up my grandmas. Can I do that? Nope. Well, what can I level up? Can I level up? Nah. Well, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.